Essential ingredients for a classic burger include ground beef and burger buns. Fresh toppings such as lettuce, tomato, onion, and pickles are key components. Cheese slices enhance the flavor and texture of the burger. Condiments like ketchup, mustard, salt, and pepper are needed to season the burger. Begin by gently mixing ground beef with salt and pepper to taste. Avoid overmixing to maintain a tender patty texture. Shape the seasoned ground beef into a patty of your desired size and thickness. Cook the patty on a grill or pan over medium-high heat. Cook until the patty reaches the desired level of doneness, indicated by color change and texture. The cheeseburger assembly begins with the bottom bun as the foundation. Place the cooked patty directly onto the bottom bun. Add a slice of cheese on top of the patty while it's still warm to encourage melting. Add lettuce, tomato, onion, and pickles according to personal preference. Apply ketchup and mustard based on individual taste. Complete the cheeseburger by placing the top bun on the fillings.